Well, a Salt Lake City man is suing a West Valley police officer, claiming that the officer roughed him up for no good reason.
The alleged victim says the proof is in the video and it was recorded by the officer's very own police car. Christina Flores, live in West Valley. What led to this, Christina?
Well, 25-year-old Cesar Medina says that he believes he did nothing wrong at all. At first, the West Valley officer involved here, Officer Jared Carden, said that Cesar rolled a stop sign. What we know for sure is what happened on a video that was recorded by the officer's dashboard camera in the police car. Here's that video now. That video shows Officer Jared Carden pushing 25-year-old Cesar Medina down to the ground. Cesar again says he had been followed by the officer for several blocks. The officer never attempted to pull him over until Cesar arrived at the driveway of his girlfriend's house. He says he got out of the truck, and that's when the officer approached him and then forced him to the ground. Now, Cesar was never charged with anything. After a long process in court, he was only charged with or cited for going 25 miles over the speed limit in that neighborhood. So at this point, he's hired an attorney. They have filed a lawsuit claiming that Officer Carden used excessive force.
I felt that I hadn't done anything wrong, and I felt powerless.
The only reason you can use force in effecting an arrest is if the suspect is somehow a threat, he's armed, he's fleeing.
Now, the lawsuit was just filed yesterday. I did contact the West Valley City Police Department today for comment. A captain here told me that they wouldn't comment on the lawsuit, and aside from that, they hadn't seen it. I also called the city attorney. They don't work on Fridays, so I wasn't able to obtain comment from that office. Now, Mr. Medina says he wants a jury to decide what should happen in this case. Again, he is claiming that the officer used excessive force. He is hoping to obtain damages and compensation, but he's not saying how much. Again, he's leaving that up to a jury. Mark and Shauna, back to you.
All right, Christine.